Hey folks, Brian here with the Coastal Patrol Cub. Now, I would love to be continuing to show you views like this one of me flying around in my Cub. Unfortunately, if you've been watching my channel, you know that my annual this year had other plans.
Looks somber.
But what if I were to
Find a different way to fly my airplane.
delightfully devilish, Seymour.
So recently I was doing some research on Google and I decided to look up the tail number of my airplane. And the first result was pretty cool. Turned out that someone has actually made a repaint of the classic aircraft simulations J-3 Cub add-on for Microsoft Flight Sim 2020 of my airplane. I really was not expecting this, and it was very, very cool to see. They did a very good job of it. It was a very accurate repaint of this Cub. And so, yeah, so this is going to allow me to actually play around with flying my airplane in Microsoft Flight Simulator while everything is down for maintenance. I just want to say here for a moment, I appreciate you so much for watching my videos. If you like what you see, if you could like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment on it, and certainly share it on other platforms. All these things really do help me out a lot. And again, I just greatly appreciate it so much if you can do any of that. So as I mentioned earlier, the add-on for Microsoft Flight Sim 2020 that I'm using comes from Classic Aircraft Simulations and is a very good add-on. This is not a review of the add-on by any means here, but I will just say it is a very solid Cub add-on, very inexpensive. I think I paid $18 for it, and I will put the link to that in the description. The repaint is made by someone with the username of Propblur, and I will put the link to the repaint in the description as well. But I realized I actually sent Propblur a message, and after messaging them, I realized that I follow them on Instagram as well. And the person's real name is Justin Fortier. Justin, if I mispronounced your last name, I apologize. But he is an aviation photographer with a pretty good sized following on Instagram, and it turned out he had actually seen my airplane in person at an event I had taken it to, taken some photos of it, and went ahead and made this repaint. So yeah, I just thought that was really cool, and I will link Justin's Instagram page in the description as well. So definitely go check out his stuff. It is super cool. He does some great work, and hopefully I'll get him out to take some more pictures of my Cub at some point when everything is back together. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of time to actually work on my Cub this week. I had some other things going on. I was out of town, so I didn't have a lot to share with updates for the restoration. But again, I just thought it was really cool. Literally just Googling my tail number, trying to look up some other stuff, and came across this completely by chance. And I'm just so incredibly honored that someone saw my airplane in person and thought that this would be a cool thing to add into Microsoft Flight Simulator for other people to enjoy. And it gives me the opportunity to continue to fly my Cub in the unfortunately extended downtime that I am facing right now. It gives me a little bit of an opportunity to relive the glory days and to look forward to what is hopefully awaiting me in the future. And until that time, thank you again for following along. And again, definitely check out Justin's work. And he does some great photography, and I'm really looking forward to hopefully collabing with him in the future. Thank you again so much for watching, and take care.